Hello, my friend. Welcome to this new episode of our English podcast. Today, I want to take you on a simple journey through a very normal day in my life. Yes, just a normal day. Nothing special. But it's a perfect way to learn English. We will go step by step, from morning to night, talking about everything I do, everything I see, and everything I feel. This is perfect listening practice for beginners. I will use easy English, speak slowly and clearly, and tell you a lot of details. So, you can learn new vocabulary, practice listening comprehension, and maybe even use shadowing to repeat after me. Are you ready to start? Let's begin my simple life, from the very beginning of the day. Chapter 1. Waking up. Every day, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. When I open my eyes, the first thing I do is look at the ceiling. The room is quiet. I can hear some birds outside my window. It's a peaceful sound. I stay in bed for a few minutes. I don't like to get up quickly. I like to take my time. I stretch my arms and legs and take a deep breath. Then, I sit up in bed. I look at my phone to check the time. Sometimes, I get messages from my family or friends. I read them slowly. After that, I finally get out of bed. Chapter 2. My morning routine. Now, it's time to go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with a soft toothbrush and mint toothpaste. The mint taste is fresh and strong. Then I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up completely. After that, I take a shower. I like warm showers. The water feels good on my skin. I use shampoo for my hair and body wash for my body. I enjoy this time. It's quiet, and I can think about my day. When I finish, I dry my body with a towel and put on clean clothes. Usually, I wear something simple. A t-shirt and jeans, or maybe a sweater if it's cold. Chapter 3. Breakfast time. Now it's time for breakfast. I walk to the kitchen and open the fridge. What do I eat in the morning? Usually, I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I make scrambled eggs, sometimes boiled. I also like to drink coffee with milk. The smell of coffee in the morning is very nice. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I don't use my phone when I eat. I like to enjoy the moment. I look outside the window. Sometimes it's sunny. Sometimes it rains. But every day, I take a moment to be thankful. Chapter 4. Going to work / starting my day. After breakfast, I prepare my things. I pack my bag with everything I need, my laptop, a notebook, a pen, and maybe a snack. Then I put on my shoes and leave the house. If I work from home, I go to my small office. If I go to work in the city, I take the bus or walk. I like walking. It helps me think and relax. On the way, I see people, cars, shops, and dogs. The city is full of life. Chapter 5. Working. When I start working, I open my computer and check my emails. Then I make a list of things I need to do. This helps me stay organized. I work for a few hours. I answer messages, write reports, or join video calls. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's quiet. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I stretch my body or drink some water. Then I continue. At noon, I stop for lunch. Chapter 6. Lunchtime. Lunchtime is my favorite part of the day. I like to cook simple meals. Rice, vegetables, and chicken are my go-to foods. I also like soup, especially when the weather is cold. While I eat, I sometimes watch a video in English or listen to music. I try to relax and enjoy the food. After lunch, I wash the dishes. I don't like a messy kitchen. Clean spaces make me feel calm. Chapter 7. Afternoon Activities. After lunch, I go back to work for a few more hours. I finish tasks and check everything before the end of the day. In the late afternoon, around 5 p.m., I take some time for myself. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I call a friend or my family. It's nice to talk to people and share how the day is going. Chapter 8. Evening Routine. When the sun goes down, it's time to relax. I prepare a light dinner. Maybe a salad, maybe some pasta. Something easy. Then, I take a shower again or just wash my face. I put on comfortable clothes and sit on the couch. I like to watch movies or series. Sometimes I watch them in English with subtitles. It helps me learn new words. At around 9:30 or 10 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again, and I go to my room. Before sleeping, I turn off the lights and thank the day. I feel grateful for the small things. Chapter 9. Weekend Life. On weekends, my life is a little different. I wake up later, maybe at 8 or 9 a.m. I have more time, so I enjoy a long breakfast. Sometimes I go to the market to buy fruits and vegetables. I like bananas, apples, oranges, and mangoes. Fresh food makes me happy. Other times I clean the house. I sweep the floor, wash my clothes, and organize things. It feels good to have a clean home. On Saturday night, I sometimes meet friends. We go out for dinner or just walk around and talk. On Sunday, I like to rest. I read, relax, or go to the park. So, my friend, this is my simple life. It may look boring to some people, but for me, it is beautiful. Every small moment is important. Waking up, eating breakfast, working, relaxing, all of it is life. And the best part is, you can use these moments to practice English. Think in English when you cook. Speak to yourself in English when you walk. Describe your day, your feelings, your actions. This is how you grow. This is how you learn English, not with pressure, but with love and daily practice. Thank you so much for listening to this long episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like. Thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more English practice, more simple stories, and more ways to improve your listening and speaking skills. Remember, learning English is a journey. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going, step by step. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.